Hi guys, in this lecture I'm gonna teach you how to give the more than one background to a HTML element. Here I'm gonna give two different images in the background of this div, and then I will teach you special properties of the CSS3 background, that is the background origin and background clip. So let's start. First of all, here I have already created a div and here is its width and height and the border, and now I'm gonna give the background image here. Here is the background image, and first of all we have to write the URL of the first image. Here is the URL, and here in between this I'm going to write the name and the extension of the image, and then here is the comma, and then here is the second URL and its name and the extension of the image. Here is 3.jpg, and now let's check it. Here there is only one image because we have not provided the other properties, position and the no repeat. So now I'm gonna apply here the background position, and first of all I'm gonna provide the position to the first image. Both images are present here for 3.jpg, 4.jpg, and first of all we have to give the position of the first image. Here I'm gonna give the right bottom to the first image, and then the position comma, and then the position of the second image is left top. And you can also give the position in the pixels from the right side, from the x-axis 100 pixel, from the y-axis 100 pixel. You can give the position in the pixels. And now here I'm going to apply the background repeat, and here is I'm gonna no repeat for both of these images, no repeat. And now let's check it. It's going to be shown. So why it is not applied, the second image is not shown? Because we have not give the background size. So now I'm going to give the background size to both of these images. Here is the background size. Here I'm going to edit it to make it size, and first of all I'm going to give the size of the first image 100 pixel for the width and 200 pixel height, and here is 300 pixel. This is the size of the second image. 300 pixel is the width of the second image, and 100 pixel is the height of the second image. And now here it is. Here is the first image and here is the second image. Now this process is too long. We have also the shorthand property. We can put the more than one images in the background by using the shorthand property. But here I want to tell you something. You are free to put the background images. You have not any limit to put the background images. And now I'm gonna put this image by using the shorthand property. Here I'm gonna make it in the comment. Here is the comment. So now it's not going to be shown on the screen. Here it is. And now let's use the background shorthand property. First of all, give the URL of the first image. Here I'm gonna give it 4.jpg, and then we have to give the background position here of the first image. Here I'm gonna copy this and then paste it here, and then I'm gonna give the size of the first image. Here is the size of the first image. Copy it. Here is copy it, and then here we have to write / and then the size of the image, and then we have to give the repeat property. Here I'm gonna write no repeat, and then the first image is ready. Here I'm going to show you. This is the first image, and now what we need to do, we have to write comma and then all the properties of the second image. Here I'm going to copy the URL of the second image. Here is the URL of the second image, and here is the position of the second image by adding a space, and then we have to write the repetition, the size of the second image. Here it is, by writing the forward slash, and then we have to give the non-repeat property or the repetition if we want to repeat, and here it is. And now it is okay. Here you see that both are inserted by using the background property. And now guys, I'm gonna tell you about the new CSS3 background properties, that are the background origin and background clip property. By using these properties, you can set the background position from where it is started from the border and it is started from the padding area. It is hard to explain. I will tell you what is it. Here I'm gonna remove all of these things. Here it is, remove it, and remove this, and here is the shorthand property. And now here I'm gonna apply no repeat, and here is the 3.jpg, and now here I'm gonna apply a border. Here is dashed, and now let's reload it, and here you see that the image is applied. So now let's check it. Here it is, and now here I'm gonna apply the background origin property. First of all, background origin property. Here it is, the origin. And now here I want to tell you something, that now the background origin property have the default value, that is the padding box. Here, what is the padding box effect? Here you see that the background is started after the border. Here is the background, it is started after the border. So now after the border the padding is started, so that's why it have the default value padding box, and the background is started from where the padding is start. Here I'm gonna add the padding, and then you can see it clearly. Here is the padding of 30 pixel, and now here I'm gonna apply the color on the text is white, and a space inside is created. And here you see that this is the padding and the background is started where the padding is started, but this is the padding box property. Here it is, you can see that. But if we apply the border box, so now the background is going to be start where the border is started. Here you see that this is the border line, and now the background is started from there. And if we apply the content box, so now the background is start where the text is gonna be start. Here you see that this is the background origin, and it will be apply on the background image. But if we give a background color, so we have to use the background clip property. Here is the background color is red, and here it is. And now it have the default value border box because the background is started from the border. And here we have to write clip property, background clip. So now it's gonna be start from the content box, and if we give it padding box, then it will be start after the border where the padding is start. Here it is. And if we give it border box, then it is the default value. You already know what its effect. Here it is, here it is. And this is all the CSS3 background properties. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.